Hi guys, George from Cyprus Insight, and tonight we've come for a little stroll at Ayia Napa, and we're at the harbour, and we've actually come to see the Christmas lights. Now there's the church as promised from last year, all covered with beautiful twinkling lights. Look, it does look a spectacle. And that's St George's, because this is actually St George's Square. Now we did promise you guys we're coming down here to have a look at the lights, so here we are. And look at this beautiful church, the way it's lit up. There we are. You can see what's open. There's Second Cup, the coffee shop. Now our Isaac Tavern, that's always open guys, all year round. And on a Friday they have some fantastic live music. There we are, we've got umbrellas all lit up. Now it's the 29th of November and it's about 17 degrees. We have had a thunderstorm come through today, so for us it's a little bit chilly, and I've got a jumper on and some jogging bottoms. Anyway, look at the palm trees all lit up right to the top. Now there is a stage as well, and they will be holding a few concerts here throughout Christmas. We did come last year, you can look out for the video, and there was Christmas carols going on in this little square. Amazing tree. There's some reindeers. There's the little baby Jesus. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Look at that. It's all spectacular. Some more reindeer and some Christmas presents. Hello. Just say hello to this reindeer. Hello. I think he was looking at it lonely. Oh wow, look at that grotto. Oh wow, that is good. Now that's new this year. That wasn't here last year. I love the chair, look at that. So we obviously got Father Christmas now and again coming down here to give out some presents. Now, there's a few empty stalls here. There we are. And they will be full up with goodies when there's some live entertainment going on down here. I'm sure you can look on Facebook and what have you to see when the live entertainment's going on. Now you can pick up a coffee or something to eat here. There are a few places open. Look, that's a kebab house. Looks like they've got live Greek music every Sunday. Right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through the arch and then come back the other way, because that says 20 23, but you've got to go in the other direction. This lovely sleigh. Right, let's go through the arch. Say hello to a few of the snowmen. Hello. There's the Queen Vic, if you fancy a slow beer or maybe a hot chocolate. So let's go through the lit up pergola to the roundabout. I can show you the roundabout as well, and then we can walk back. This going in from this direction is much more spectacular, but we've parked in the harbour, so it was easier for us, so we'll show you both directions. Right, you can see the whole road lit up with those beautiful lights, look, on the lamppost right to the top. Right, let's turn around. There we go, there's the roundabout. It's all got presents all the way round, some lit up. Of course the fountains are still going, and we'll go through in that direction. So we have got some candy, Christmas stockings, some amazing umbrellas, and this beautiful lit up arch going through to our snowmen. There we are. And you can give them names if you like. I think there's 4 of them. 4 beautiful snowmen with big noses. Ooh, little carrots. Could have put carrots, couldn't they? But they might go a bit soft throughout the Christmas season. There we are. Can you see now the 2023 arch? Let's go through the arch. There we are, nice and clear now. Look at that. We're going to go underneath the 20. You can see Father Christmas's sleigh. Now the kids' trampolines and rides are all still open, so if you come down here with the kids, they can have a go on those, can't they, while you sit and have a hot chocolate next door. It's an idea, isn't it? There you are. There's the other stalls that I was talking about. They'll be open when there's live entertainment. I'm hoping to catch the Christmas band here this year, singing beautiful Christmas carols. They were really good last year. There we are, some more stalls. And I'm going to approach the church in another direction, because in my opinion that's the best bit, although it's all quite spectacular. There it is, can you see, just behind Father Christmas. Isn't that amazing? Right, let's go and have a look at this balloon. I think I missed that. Let's go down here. There's the balloon. And yet another Father Christmas in his sleigh, dishing out some presents. Wow, it's really nice. I do like the umbrellas. We've seen them in Paralimni, all lit up. Right, let's get closer to this amazing little church. Back down towards Isaac's Tavern. Oh, the church is open. Let's go and have a look. So there you are, St George's Church. Well, I hope you enjoyed those spectacular lights at Ayia Napa. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.